Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna talk about the Motorola Moto G57 Power. So you can see I have this package. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. So here it is, the 8GB 128GB model, and it has three colors, and I have purchased in blue color. As you can see, this color Pantone Regatta. So let's open this. At this side you will see a Motorola branding over here, and at the back you can see it has a ultra fast performance world first phone with Snapdragon 6s Gen 4. So firstly let's unbox this and let's know about this. So friends, in the box accessories you will see one handset is there. Let's keep it aside and let's see what in the box. So here it is, the box here. Let's open this and you will get a type C cable. You can see it is black in color. So this is USB A to type C cable and a power adapter in the box. Friends, you can see it is a 33 volt fast charging adapter. So you can see with a USB port. So that is in the box accessories. Let's open this box also. Here it is, the box. Let's open it. So in this box you will see the SIM ejector pin. When here it is, some paperwork over here, manual and its functions, you can read it. So let's keep it aside and let's check what is in the box. So friends, here it is, the blue color. You can see the rough and tough, the back case. You can see there will be no scratches when you just rub on it. So here it is, the Motorola logo with three camera setup. So let's firstly open it. So let's talk about its port. So here it is, the volume up and down rocker button, one power on off button, and at the back you can see here it is, one speaker, one type C charging port, one microphone and 3.5 headphone jack. At this side you will see a SIM ejector tray over here, and at the top you will see one more microphone is there, and it is the Dolby Atmos setup of the speaker, as you can see here. Friends, let's talk about its display. So you can see it comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate, so you can just play any game you want, you can see, and it's open the apps faster, you can see like this. And firstly let's talk about its camera. So here it is, the camera, and it is a friends, its back camera is 50 megapixel and plus 8 megapixel rear camera, and front camera is 8 megapixel. So you can see you can click a photo, portrait and pro mode, and in the more feature you will get a photo booth, time lapse and night vision camera also. So let's talk about it video resolution. So first let's open the video and you will get 2K at 60 fps. That is insane thing about that, and you can record as much you can. It has 7000 mAh of battery life, so it will last long up to 2 days also. So you can just click on this and click on the resolution to change it, and you can click a photo. So you can see friends, I have clicked some of the pictures. This is the portrait one. So you can see when you just zoom it, the pixels will not be stretched and the background thing will be blurred. So you can see this is blurred, and now it focused only on the one object, that is this. So you can see when I just zoom in, the clarity is more definite. So you can see the quality. And let's talk about the normal camera, that is 50 megapixel camera. So this is this. You can see you can cover up all the screen like edge to edge. And let's press back. So friends, let's talk about its performance. So firstly let's open the settings and scroll down, click on the about feature. So here it is. So friends, here it is, the storage, that is 128 GB, 8 GB, 128 GB, and 8 GB is extendable. you can RAM boost up to 16 GB. At least you can get 24 GB of RAM. That is the thing, you can just play any game you want at the highest performance. And you can see the processor information from here. So friends, its processor is 6S Gen 4 octa-core processor, 2.4 gigahertz clock speed display. So its performance is very good, and the display is 6.72 LED display. So you can watch movies, videos, anything you want at high resolutions. So let's talk about the video quality. So friends, here I have searched the video quality. So friends, here it is, the video quality. You can check it. It is on the full screen now, and you can zoom up to 8x zoom, and you can see the clarity when you just zoom at 8x zoom. And let's check the quality here and change it through the settings. So here it is, 1440 pixel at 60 fps. You can watch your video. So this is insane about this smartphone. And you can see it look like a 3D picture when you just watch it. So its clarity is insane. And let's talk about its speaker also. So friends, you can see the quality of the speaker, that is very good at this price range. You can must buy it. And you can see it has the speaker at the back, here it is. And the bass and the combination of the music is very good. You can must check out this Motorola smartphone at just 14,000 rate, as you can see. And its performance is very good, and it is quite lightweight also. And it feels like a handy, you can see. Friends, its speaker is good, and it has a high resolution speaker with stereo speaker setup in this smartphone. And let's talk about the display and its screen. So it is the coming Gorilla Glass 7i, that is breakless, and it has a Gorilla Glass protection also. And you can see it has a IP64 water resistance. So it get a splashes of water, so it will not harm your device. And it has a MIL 810H military grade also. So you can get a ultimate durability in this smartphone with the Android 16 support in this smartphone. And you will get a best experience in this smartphone at just this price. So that is very good part of this smartphone. And you can see, let's talk about the battery life. I have used it for a day, and you can see uh, it gives us 7000 mAh of battery life. That is very good. You can do anything, like if you are an editor or video creator, you can just get a maximum limit. You can get up to 2 to 3 days of battery life by using this smartphone. So you can must buy it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time. I have given the product link in the description. You can must check it out, this product. Thanks for watching.